Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you, suppose you have this type of information in Excel and you need another information that you have in another data set, but the problem that you're facing, the information that you have is not exactly the same as the data set you have. So here the names that we are seeing here is exactly not in the same rows that I require. So how to find the ages for each person from this information we learn in this video. So first what we'll do is we'll select this one by pressing Ctrl Shift and down arrow, and then by clicking on the right arrow we'll select this whole table that we require, then we'll copy it, then we'll paste it in here. So this column I'll change the name as person and this column as year. So now you can see these names and these names are not exactly the same, but this information I'm sure that will be available in this table. So we'll try to find out the age of this person from this table by building some formula. So the formula what we'll use here is equal to Vlookup that we have already here. So we'll select this. Then we require lookup value. So which value we are actually looking at? So these values actually we need, right? So we'll select this first. Then we'll put a comma. Then we'll have to select this whole table. We can also select here by dragging the mouse, or else as I have already given the names of these two columns, so I'll just write the name colon year, then once again comma, and we need this column index number. So in this table it is available in 2 number column, so we'll write here 2, and then once again we'll put comma. Then there are two options here: true, it is approximate match, or if you want exact match, then we have to select this is false. Then we'll close the bracket and we'll press enter. So the result has come out. So we'll double click on it. Now we can see against the name the age is mentioned here. So we'll cross check this by searching this here. So here you can see this NRA 59 years. Here also it was 59. Another one will check, suppose this one, we'll copy this, and then once again we'll search here. This is 38, and here also it was 38 only. So now we can see that exactly against the name the age that we need we have found out. So here we'll see if any mistakes we have found out. Here one that is not available, so this name will search in here. So this name is not available here, so that is the reason it has not shown up. So NA has come out. So any other mistakes? So this is all. So whatever name is there, everything has come out. So thus we can easily find out any information that we need from one column from another column by comparing between two columns. So now what I'll do, as because here formula is built, so I will copy it and then I will paste here as a value, and now I will delete this and I will delete this too also. So now here we are ready with our work.